Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy coins on TikTok without using a credit card. Let's get started. Open your TikTok app and tap on the Live button in the top left corner of your screen. Find any live stream and tap on the gift icon in the bottom right corner. Select Recharge to view the available coin packages. Choose the amount of coins you want to purchase. Tap the red Get button at the bottom of the screen. Instead of using a credit card, the purchase will process through your device's app store. You can connect alternative payment methods like PayPal, mobile wallets, or gift cards to your Apple ID or Google Play account. Simply set up your preferred payment method in your device's App Store settings beforehand. Confirm the purchase through your App Store's verification process. Your TikTok coins will be added to your account immediately after payment confirmation. This method lets you buy TikTok coins using any payment option supported by your device's App Store without needing a traditional credit or debit card. Thank you for watching.